Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel TechChimp. Today I'm going to teach you how to download and install Roblox in computer. So let's start. First of all, open Google Chrome and search Roblox. Click on first link. You have to sign up here before using it. Let's register ourselves by filling all these fields. Enter your birthday. In username, make sure you enter unique username. Now enter secret password. Select your gender. After that, click sign up button. It will take time in loading, so have some patience. So guys, after login, you can see multiple games. You can select any game from the list. I have selected this red light, green light game. After selecting game, click on this green play button. It will pop up one window. Click on this download and install Roblox button. So downloading has been started. You have to follow these given steps to install it. After downloading, double click on .exe file to install it. It will pop up one dialog box. Click Open Roblox button. Roblox is successfully installed. Click Join button. The red light, green light game has been started. You can use arrows to move camera and mouse click to jump. To chat with other friends, click on left side. Click on this settings option. On people tab, you can invite your friends to join this game. On settings tab, you can change volume and graphic quality. In help tab, you can change controls. In record tab, you can record video also. If you want to exit game, then click L button. So guys, you can also play any game like this. If you like this video, click like button and subscribe my YouTube channel for latest updates. Thank you.